What is optimal merge pattern for the given three files? These are three given records, or we can say three files, and we need to make one file. So how many record movements should be there? Based on this, we will find optimal merge pattern. So we'll try one by one. Suppose this M1 pattern is, we choose first X and Y. First we take X and Y and we merge them. Then X, Y, 25, 65. Then what we will get? We will get 90. Then what is left? 35. Set 35. So it will be 125. This is first pattern M1. Now we will take second pattern M2. In this, what we will take? We take 25 and 35. X and Z first. 25, 35. So if we merge them, then what we will get? We will get 60. Then we will take Y, 65. After merging, it will be 125. Now we will take, because three records are there, so three pattern can be possible. M3. So now we will take we take XY, XZ. Now we will take YZ. So first we will take Y and Z. For Y we have 65 and Z we have 35. So what we will get? We will get 100. And now we will take X, that is having 25 values. So it will be 125. So here we can see three patterns are there, which are M1, M2, M3. So which one is best? And we can say which one is optimal merge pattern. So out of these, we can say to merge the given three files X, Y and Z, we have three ways M1, M2 and M3. Three ways to merge three given files X, Y, Z. And out of these three merge pattern, M2 is the optimal merge. M2 is the optimal merge pattern. Optimal merge pattern. Why? Because it will take less number of record movements, because we take minimum to merge first. So we can say, because it is taking two minimum to merge first, that's why it is called optimal, because there is a minimum record movement. So in this way we can find optimal merge pattern.